Alright, here you are. Let's get these out of here. And where's the other one? Oh, gotcha. Alright, let's see what's in these boxes. Little guy here. What's inside? Ooh, nice little case here. Fantastic. What's this? Oh, wow, it can hold stands on top. What do we got inside here? Power supply. Nice. Nice lock on the cable. What's inside here? Free gift. Ah, diffuser. Nice. I can dig it. Let's get to the good stuff. Where are you at? What is this? Oh, okay. You know what that is. Good. And to the star of the show. Nice. Nice and feels good. So small. Awesome. Vents here on the bottom, bronze mount, removal buttons. This thing is awesome. Vents on the top too. You can see the fan in there. All right, let's see what's in this other one. Let's get this pack back up. All right, and this one here, bronze mount, free gift. Nice. Really need to get a soft box. What else do we have here? I love these little wire ties. Same thing, power supply. Beautiful. Looks like this box acts as a case. Power supply. Same thing. Nice little funnel. Nothing there. Texture feels good. Let's see what you look like. Ah, pretty much the same. There's a heat sink, a fan. Pretty much the same thing. Just different output. Buttons feel nice. Oh, you can push down on them too. Alright, let's see what we're gonna do with these lights here. What am I gonna do for this review? I'm gonna show these lights off how. Well, I guess I can show you how I lit this scene. So I had one light shooting through diffusion here, and then I also used the free gift diffusion on the funnel, using my Cobra monopod, holding up my diffusion. And I only used one light in this shot. I thought it was a little darker, so I added a second light, this little field light. And this is the second one that I used here, which I think was the 60. And I had it very little, like 10% with the diffusion on. Again, just to break up that dark shadow. Again, the reputation of daylight on these lights are phenomenal. I got another Cobra monopod holding that up. I have these lights connected to the app, which I was able to make a scene, which again, the best app that comes with lights that I've ever used. So I was able to set up my lights, control the whole scene just from here. This is no lights, fill light, key light. Alright, let's take a look at some of the key features. So there's two lights in this series. One has an output of 70 watts and the other one has an output of 130 watts. These lights do have low blue light natural sunlight spectrum, smart cooling temperature draft control, 2700 to 6500 Kelvin accurate color temperature, USB-C or DC power supply. If you're interested in seeing more about Ifootage's lights, take a look at this video here, and you can also see their LED panel lights. Catch you in the next one. Keep filming.